Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss question of JAM exams. Okay. So question is given that consider the vector space. Okay. Set of all polynomial which degree less than equal to 2020. Okay. And W is a subspace which consists the all polynomials of degree less than equal to 2020 and coefficient of ai equal to 0 for I is odd. Okay, then they find the dimension of W. Now solution. W equal to summation of I0 to n ai x to the power I such that this belongs to P 2020. Okay, and ai equal to 0 for all I is odd. Okay, now that is set of all polynomial form as a0 plus a2 x square plus a4 x to the power 4 plus dot 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 plus a 2020 x to the power 2020. Okay, set of all this polynomial. Okay, consist. Okay, now this polynomial, this type of polynomial generated by the set 1 x square x to the power 4 dot 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 x to the power 2020. Okay, and also this is li set. So this is formed as basis of W. Okay, now dimension of W, that is equal to number of elements of basis. Okay, so here that is equal to, now this is equal to number of even number element from 1 to 2020. Okay, 1 to 2020 and plus 1 because this one. Okay, so that is, and we know that number of even number elements from 1 to n is n by 2. Okay, here n equal to 2020. Okay, that is equal to, this implies 2020 by 2, that is equal to 1010. So this equal to dimension of W equal to 1010 plus 1, that is equal to 1011. Okay, so answer of the question is 1011. Okay, now next question say that T is a linear transformation, okay, from R7 to R7 and nullity of T equal to 2. Then find the minimum possible value of the rank of T square. Okay, now solution. We know that the result rank of AB, that is greater than equal to rank of A plus rank of B and minus columns. Okay, minus n. So here replace AB by T and here column 7 size. Okay, so this equal to rank of T square, that is equal to rank of T dot T, this greater than equal to rank of T plus rank of T minus 7. Okay, and here given nullity nullity of T, this equal to 2. So rank of T, that is equal to 7 minus nullity of T. So this equal to 7 minus 2, this equal to 5. So we have rank of T square, this can equal to 5 plus 5 minus 7 from this. So can equal to 10 minus 7, this equal to 3. So rank of T square can equal to 3. This is minimum possible. So minimum possible of rank of 3. Rank is 3. So answer of the question is 3. Okay.